Hello everyone, I am Rajendra Sahu, Director of Product Engineering, joined EPGM program from XLRI Delhi NCR campus. It has been 6 months and we are here for our first campus immersion. It has been very enriching experience here, meeting the professors and able to meet all our cohort peers, right? Getting to learn from them, understand their perspectives. All of the peers and our colleagues are from different industries and has different range of experiences, which is very enriching. The different thought process that comes into the play, right? The opportunity that you get to present in front of all the experiences, the experienced engineers and the professionals here, it has been very enriching. Okay, so there are many actually. I cannot just call out one. There are many. We are into our third term. The first 2 terms was about business communication and then operations management, finance and marketing. There's no aspect in this course that would not be handful and useful in my career. So it would be very hard to pinpoint one. Being from engineering background and not having academics into management, the finance was something which I would take away with me. It comes into day-to-day activities for me, and for any other management it's required to know the financial aspects along with all other. So picking one would be difficult, but I would take away finance because I don't come from that background. It is unique.